How to delete your Walmart account. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you how you can delete your Walmart account. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you'd like to delete your Walmart account, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and then open up your browser, and then you want to go to the option called walmart.com/help. Now you'll not find the option to directly delete your Walmart from your account center, so you have to go to help center to do so. Go to walmart.com/help and then you'll land right on this page over here. Once you land on this page, what you want to do is scroll down, and here you'll find the option called customer service. So just click on customer service option, and as you do that, on the right hand side you'll find this little pop-up that says, "Hi, I'm Walmart automated support assistant, what can I help you with?" So you can just choose the option called something else over here. Once you choose the option called something else, choose a common issue. So you can go ahead and simply select all of these details, but again we will select the option called it's something else. Once you choose, it says I might be able to help you with that. Select an option below, and again you have to select the option called it's something else until and unless a real agent does not come and talk to you. So it says that I can connect you to someone to help. Before I do that, can you describe what you need in your own words? And right over here in this message you have to type in I need to delete my account, or just select I want to delete my account or anything else. Now a reader is actually going to be able to read this. It says I might be able to help you with that. Select an option below. So here you'll find the option called close account, so just click on it. Once you choose the option called close account, to close your account we'll need to connect you to an associate. How can we contact you? So just go ahead and then simply select whatever is convenient for you. You can start a chat, for which you have to wait 1 minute. You can email, which is going to be 24 hours. You can go back to the main menu, or you can call me, it was also 1 minute wait. So in this case I'll just select the option called start chat, and once I select start chat, it says you'll be connected to an agent shortly, please remain on the page while we transfer you. So you have to wait until an agent comes and talks to you, and you have to explain them that you really want to delete your account, and they'll be able to help you with that. And that's all it takes to delete your Walmart account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.